Today I'm taking a look at the Loop SK05. It comes in this nice box. So they're the accessories. I've got a USB cable. And here it is. The Loop SK05. It's got this sidelight. We've got a Luminus, I think SFT12R. It's a little throwy emitter with a smooth reflector. And on the left here, we've got 3 SST20s. Let's check it out. The interface, we've got this rotary here, so we can flip it on. You see the light turn on. That's the battery status indicator and a charging indicator. So we're on the floodlight, spotlight, and sidelight. So we can turn it on. That's the sidelight, and you can just switch between each of them. So it's going between the 3 just by rotating. That's really cool. It just looks awesome. And you've got this battery status indicator here appearing when you turn the light on, and it just turns off. So it gives you an indication of what the status of the battery is. So let's go ahead and check out each mode. That is the sidelight. So if we just hold, we can change the color. So it just changes between each of the colors. If I double click, it changes the mode. So now it's in a fading mode. Got this scrolling mode. Again, you can just hold to change the color. Double click. There's a little dot scrolling mode. We've got a rainbow mode going really fast, and we can change the speed by holding. So that's a really slow one. That's somewhere in between, about medium, and then a high speed. So let's double click again. We've got just like a warm white. It's on low, so I can hold to change the brightness. And it goes low, medium, high. And we're back to the color one. So it can do the full solid color. If I triple click, it'll do a special like police type mode. So we've got this police thing. Cool. And let's change it to, oh, we've got mode memory too. If you switch between each of these, it will memorize, I think, like the speed and the color. So that's really cool. Let's check out the spotlight. We've got low, medium, high, and turbo. So that's, you can just hold to change between low, medium, high, and double click for turbo. And you can go to the, let's see, we're on lockout. There's the floodlight on low. Hold for medium, high. Double click for turbo. Triple click for strobe warning. So I've got a strobe there. And the strobe actually does both lights at the same time. So you've got the spotlight and the floodlight both strobing. So that's pretty much it for the user interface. I mean, that's pretty cool. I like the style. You've got, really nice quality. We've got a magnet here. So let's see what we can stick this to. It will hang, but yeah, it's flipping around a bit. But there we go. There are 2 screw holes here for a pocket clip. It didn't come with a pocket clip, but I think it's supposed to. Maybe they'll release that at some point. There's a little lanyard hole here, so you can put a lanyard in there. And yeah, we've got some screws. Can try and take this apart and check out the batteries at some point. I might do a full disassembly. But before I do that, I will go outside and do some beam shots and show you what it looks like at nighttime. So yeah, let's go and check it out at night. There it goes. The Loop SK05 has built-in USB-C charging, so here's the port. It's got this cover, it's fairly strong, it's held in quite securely here, that's really not budging. We can plug in the included USB-C to C cable, and it starts charging. So that's indicating that it's charging by going in that direction. You can turn the indicator off by clicking once, and turn it back on again. That doesn't stop the charging rate, so it's 12 volts, 0.9 amps. So if I turn the indicator off, it's still charging. We can use this as a power bank too, like to charge your phone or something. So let's plug in a phone and see how it works. So this is a Pixel 7a, and now the indicator is going the opposite direction. And again, you can just press that to turn it off if you don't want it to be doing that. You can see that the current's going in that direction. So we've got 9 volts, 0.8, and it's currently rapidly charging. So you can see. Yeah, so that's the built-in charging and the power bank feature. Here's a quick side-by-side comparison between the Loop SK05 and we've got the Acebeam Terminator M2. So let's just check out the size. Got, throwy emitters on the left and the floodlight on the right. So that's the thickness. Interface is a bit different on the M2. We've got this mechanical switch and then the tail switch here and a battery status indicator on the side. We've got this one rotary here and a button here to control everything. There is an M2X that has buttons instead of this little switch. You could probably check that out. The SK05 is a little bit taller, although it does have a magnet, whereas this one doesn't have a magnet. And you can take the battery out easily here. We'll need to do a full disassembly and see how this works. You might be able to take out the battery, but I don't think it's recommended. So that's a little quick side-by-side comparison. So overall, the SK05, it's a nice little EDC torch. It's a good size for my hand. A little bit, might be bulky if you're like little, if you're into like really small, tiny EDC torches, then something like the Manka F14, that's tiny. That might be cool, but this is a high performance version. I think actually there's a SK05 Pro if you want to upgrade. So check out like the SK05 on Loop Gear's website, and you've got the SK05 Pro. These ones are getting on the bigger side, but they're a lot of fun to play with at night. So check them out. Check out the description below, and you can view my full review where you can see all the testing that I've done. Cheers. Thanks for watching.